It's very cheap to use bamboo rather than paying for copper gold post.
Hello, my name's Tom Hardy and you're watching the Rugby World Cup Daily.
Oh look, it's another step on our way. You know, we'll take positives, we'll take a few learnings as well of the game. I think, you know, it's just great to play against a team that, you know, had a few guys who were just part-time rugby players, and you know, they lifted their performance. And you know, we got to share a beer and a soft drink with them after the game in our shed, and you know, welcome them in, and you know, they were awestruck, and it was pretty cool. And you know, and that's what the World Cup's about. It'd be great to get a week's preparation under our belt, you know, just a little bit extra training. But I think for us, you know, it's just getting those combinations working, not trying too hard. You know, just letting things happen, make sure we see the right pitches so then we can call the right moves out there on the track.
Has it. By Cooper here. Tamani, Cooper. Lovely little flip from Cooper and Joe Tamani.
Neil had identified the space here, and the rubber kick popped up nicely. Tamani was coming at pace. As was Cooper, who got there first, realised he was going to get tackled. The offload just clear.
Yes, we are very proud. We give our best. We wanted to score a try. It was difficult. Australia is a very good team, but we have to still improve some things to our last two matches.
Yeah, I think we're pleased. You know, every chance we come out is an opportunity for us to represent our country and also go forward in this tournament. So it's about building momentum. I thought Uruguay were excellent. I thought the intent which they came out, you know, the strength which they defended, and they just kept coming at us all game. And their willingness to attack, I think, was brilliant. Yeah, so it's a big week, but we've got a lot to look at in terms of how we went in this performance. So we'll study, we'll recover up in the next couple of days, have a review of our game, and then go forward from here.
Oh yeah, look, we've tried to. It hasn't been easy, but I think we've done a good job of shutting a lot of that out until it becomes apparent that game's next. And we've been really working on the day-to-day process, and I think we've done a good job of that, and we'll continue to do that. So we'll recover well here, and then after we enjoy the day, which we want to do because we want to enjoy the World Cup as well, we'll start preparing for the next match tomorrow.
Well, I don't really have a rugby background. I mean, we played it at school, and then I left school when I was about 15. You know, schools that played rugby anyway. And then I played a little bit, like a season for London Irish when Paul Tanner was coach when I was about 15. To be fair, I haven't been around for a long time in the country, so it's great to have something on the doorstep that's like so massive, and it's the World Cup, and England are playing, and so come to support them.
And now we're going to just compare some of your roles to where you think they'd play on the rugby pitch. So
they're all significantly smaller than most of the lads that play rugby.
So where would Bain play on the rugby pitch, do you think?
Hooker, or prop, tight head prop.
And what What do you think about Bain would make him a good front rower?
Oh, he's just Ali, isn't he? Do you know what I mean? I just think he's just one of them like, thou shalt not pass types.
And what about Bill Sykes?
Oh, Bill Sykes probably on the wing, right? That'll be a bit nasty.
How about the Cray twins?
Oh, you know, open side flanker, and yeah, all at second row. Do you know what I mean?